Hey, what is up guys? MORGBORG here with the unboxing and first look of the LG Sunset by Net10 Wireless. So, this phone is a couple years old, but it was a great deal, so I got it picked up. By the way, this is the mystery device that I was telling you guys about. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So let's start by cutting the packaging. If there's some background noise, just ignore it. Okay. Yeah. I'm probably going to have to do this off camera. Okay, one more across just to make sure I cut it. And there we go. Okay, so let's just open this up here. Oh yeah, by the way, before we get started with taking that out, here are some specs. A 4.5-inch display, Android Lollipop, a 1.2 gigahertz quad-core processor, 5 megapixel rear, and 0.3 front. On the inside, we've got the plan info. It says 4G LTE. Already read that stuff. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.1, MP3 player. Access to over 1 million apps and more on Google Play. Micro SD card up to 32 gigabytes. 8 gigabytes on the device. GPS, proximity sensor, 10-hour battery talk time. 7.5 day standby time, and hearing aid compatible. Okay, so let's go take this out. Okay. By the way, this is the first video that's being shot on my new Canon Vixia HF R800. Okay, so let's peel these things. Yeah, I'm obviously going to damage it, but whatever. Okay, there we go. Now we just gotta get this off. Okay, here is the phone, so let's set that aside. Digging deeper, and we've got the back cover, the battery, which is, it is 1900 milliamp hours, so I'm just going to zoom in so you can see that. There we go. Set that aside. We've got a user guide, a charging brick, and a micro USB cable for charging, as well as syncing to your computer, which I already have plenty of those, which I'm not going to use that one. And then on this side, you've got your your Net 10 stuff. So yeah, let's just set that aside and get to the good stuff. So let's peel this and then slide in the battery. Peel the back cover. And wow, this actually feels pretty nice. And the buttons are actually like built into the back cover. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, it feels pretty sturdy. Kind of flexy, but whatever, not too bad. So, and then let's peel the plastic wrap. Satisfying. Okay, so as you can tell, this device looks amazing. Words cannot describe how beautiful it looks. Yeah, it's also got a little bit of heft to it. So let's just turn it on. LG, powered by Android. And I don't think there's a way to skip on this, so I'm just going to leave it here. And I imagine it's going to take a long time to turn on. Wow, that was quick. Android is upgrading, finishing boot. Welcome. So, let me just grab the phone here. And as you can tell, actually I'm going to adjust this. SIM not provisioned, whatever. Yeah, I'm sorry this is taking so long. I know this is boring. But until I find an easier way to do this, this is how it's going to be. Okay. Let's just zoom that out. Oh, can't. Okay. So, it's already set the language. I'm going to connect to my Wi-Fi. Okay, and we are connected. I'm going to turn off mobile data. Just a sec. I'm going to skip the Google account for now. Okay. Just gonna skip that. Sorry, I'm off camera again. Next. Skip. Okay. So I'm going to have it with the black home buttons. because it'll look a lot better. Okay, done. I'm not going to activate McAfee just because it's not necessary. Okay, and we are set. Okay, so looks pretty good. Okay, so just to confirm that we are running Android Lollipop, I'm going to go into settings and go to about phone, software info, Android 5.0.1. Let's get a better look at that. A little too close. Okay, 5.0.1. Okay, so let's see the storage usage. Storage. So 4.1 gigs is available out of the entire 8. So we're getting about half of the storage. Okay, the system just crashed. And what do you know? I've already got a software update, but I'm not going to do that right now. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what to improve on with the camera. So yeah, peace out.